I just took an everything shower, but I feel like my life needs an everything shower. Let's blow dry my hair. We're doing something here. If you're anything like me, you're a huge goal setter, but also occasionally a goal forgetter. Today, I'm gonna be doing a New Year's reset, starting with this blowout, which is in progress right now. We're gonna be deep cleaning my house for 2024, which is only 4 weeks away. Like this video if you're stressed out. I need to hit that reset button hard because things have been falling apart. So yeah, starting out with washing my hair. My hair was very greasy and I didn't wash it for 7 days, and now we're gonna be looking really cute. We just need to marinate in the ugliness for a little bit. Okay, these are ready to take out, and this got so stuck. Oh, I'm out of practice with these rollers right now. Blow drying your hair, doing your nails, like moisturizing every single night, like that stuff can kind of just like, you know, like just kind of fall by the wayside sometimes. You know, I try my best to live that clean girl aesthetic, but it is just not always realistic when you also like the greasy rat aesthetic. I find that like spending a little bit of time on my hair, like oiling it, leaving the oil in, and then double shampooing, and then getting hair clips really stuck in your hair. Anyways, I was gonna say a whole monologue here, but I kind of am like getting really distracted by this situation. So I'm gonna put a little bit of hair oil in my hair, and then the blowout is finally complete. That was actually a lot of oil. I actually have a full video on how I blow out my hair. I will link it down below for you guys. So I actually need to go to my nail appointment. So let's go. I'm at the nail salon. I love this nail salon because it's literally $12 for a full set and you don't have to tip at all. And my nails look so bad right now because I've been biting them like crazy. Just picking out my options. These are really cute. You guys really thought I was gonna get my nails done in this economy? No. Today, I'm gonna show you how to put press-on nails on, and they will last you for 2 weeks. So I have some nail polish remover and then just little cotton pads. First thing I'm gonna do is open this and get all of the sizes that I need for the nails. Okay, so I have all of my sizes here. I don't think I have any nail polish on my nails, but I just do this to clean them. Next, take this little tool and push your cuticles back. Okay, so this is the trick that makes them stay on so well. I have this little nail file, and that basically just spins. And you don't need one of these. You can do it with a buffer or with like the file that they give you, but this really helps them stay on. So zooming in so you guys can see, so this part of the nail is the part that like actually touches your nail. So that part I like to roughen up. There can be dust that comes off of the nails, so keep it held away from your face. Okay, the next thing you want to do is buff your nails. Just take the shine off. So I apply the glue onto the actual nail, so just a dot right there, and then on my nail. I let it get tacky before I actually stick it on, so I'll like blow on it. When you're putting the nail on, just be really careful and make sure that it's straight, and then hold it down really tightly for a solid 30 seconds. Boom, and there you have it. My nails are done. I think they turned out pretty good. I'm gonna go on a walk right now because it's a really pretty sunset. What up, this guy? Because
Go.
it's officially 5:30 p.m., which means I need mood lighting. Because it's pitch black outside. Hey guys, it is the next day. Yesterday was actually Thanksgiving, so we went to our friend's house at around 3 o'clock and it snowed last night. It's beautiful and snowy and white outside, but I need to clean the interior of my car really, really badly, and it's been something that I've been putting off for probably like 2 months now.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why.